In this video, we will show you how to replace your ignition coils on this Kia Forte with a 2.4-liter engine. These will be located along the top of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we'll have to do is remove our top engine cover. This comes off fairly easily. You just have to give it a little tug along all four corners. A quick inspection and we'll set that aside. With that cover out of the way, we have a clear view of our ignition coils making their way across the top of the engine. Let's start disconnecting the electrical connector for the ignition coil. For this, you're going to find that you have a gray locking tab. Once you dislodge that with a small screwdriver or pick, you should be able to squeeze on the lock and pull that out of place. A quick inspection for corrosion, set it aside. Next, we'll make our way to the 10mm mounting bolt. You can see it right over here in the corner. Just remove that. Take hold of the ignition coil, give it a little twist, and lift it up and out of place. There it is, friend. Okay, now it's time to install our ignition coil. We'll have a look down along the area that goes onto the spark plug. It's a good idea to use a small amount of dielectric lubricant in this area. Slide this right down on there. We can install our mounting bolt. For this, we're going to snug it. The torque for it is 4 foot-pounds. Continue on with your electrical connector. We'll press that in, listen for a click, a light tug, lock it down. Once you've completed that one, the process is the same for all others. One last quick inspection in this area and we'll reinstall our engine cover. When installing the cover, we want to make sure that it sits over all 4 of the mounting points. Give it a wiggle, make sure it's secured in place. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you need to do is hop in the passenger compartment, start up the vehicle, let it run for a while, make sure you have no check engine light, no misfire, and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.